What's going on, everybody? Brent Simmons here with Restoration Roofing. So in this video, I just want to show you, a homeowner, what to look for in order to determine if your gutters are tilted incorrectly or pitched the wrong way, however you want to say it, right? But as I'm just standing here at the front door, just looking at both of these gutters, one of the big telltale signs that your gutters are pitched incorrectly, besides the obvious seeing that they're tilting away from the downspout, but if you see these black stripes down towards the right of the end of that gutter, and we can zoom in a little bit and show you, but those black stripes are a sign that those gutters are actually overflowing at that point. Now, if we look over on this side as well, you can see about, a quarter of the way from the left, you can see another group of black stripes. I don't know if it's showing up good in the video, but basically the way your gutters should be tilted, you want to have a minimum of a 1/4 inch of fall per foot. So it's just a very slight tilt towards the downspouts. So the downspouts is where all the water comes out. If you are just slightly off the other way, it can actually result in a massive amount of water coming off of that end, because it has to fill up all the way pretty much for the water to get to the downspout down here, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a ladder up right here and show you exactly what this looks like. I guarantee you that thing's almost full of water. I don't know, we haven't had rain, but I guarantee it's got water in it, so let's go. Okay, so as you can see, these gutters are holding a ton of water down on this end. Right here, a lot of water, a lot of debris. You can even see the water line that it gets up to. But as I go down to where the downspout is, you can see the water line drops and it's completely dry on the other end. So these were just installed 100% wrong. And what this does is just holds water. And it weighs the whole system down. Look at that.